The 2024 Kia Carnival is hybrid minivan with slide flex seating for 7 passengers. Its center seat can slide forward to reach the child in the second row, and it can also turn into a table for the second and third rows. Its silver finish 17-inch alloy wheels are complemented by LED headlights. Interior. Its interior is equipped with cloth upholstery and future front and rear air conditioning. It also has key entry or ignition, rear parking sensors, and automatic headlights, and its premium interior offers a variety of seating options. It also comes with a hybrid powertrain and a range of advanced safety and a driver assistance systems. Engine. The 2024 Kia Carnival features a V6 engine, which produces a 290 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The engine is linked to the front axle, and the front-wheel drive model has a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds. Electric power steering is standard. 2024 Kia Carnival release date and price. The 2024 Kia Carnival may go on sale in Korea by the end of the next year, and it could be a midlife facelift for the popular car. Its price will probably start in the $33,275 to $47,275 range, including destination fees.